So this is the location that I found an outlet over here that we're going to be able to branch into. This one is just used for the basement because remember we drilled and we're drilling down into the floor. So this one is used in the basement. It's really not even used that much, which is great. But the thing is that we need to open this up and see what's up and see how we could fit it in here. But that's the plan of what how we're gonna finish up this install and get this wired up correctly. Now you're gonna want to make sure there's no power here. You know, you're working on it or whatever. Okay. You could tell how old this outlet is by seeing the flathead in the receptacle, because you know they stopped doing that a while ago. All right, guys, see this box has a bunch of different holes on it, so you can go in from anywhere you want. I guess I'm gonna go on the side. In the middle would be the best bet. Okay, so these are really easy. Just pop these out. See these little tabs right here? Okay, very simple. Done. And that just snaps out like that. Now we got to get a box connector, put it on there because we're going to run that Romex in there. Now they have these really cool Romex connectors that are out, but you always have to check at your local and state codes to make sure that you are allowed to use them. Okay. All right. So you're going to run your wire wherever you're going to run your wire. This is my wire. Pretty much that's going to go in here. So what you're going to want to do is, all right, see, we're going to use one like this. This is really cool. You just put this on, push it in, and it automatically grips in there like that, see? And then that's it. And then it won't come out. And it's perfect. All right, see? Boom, you just squeeze it, push it in. Nice and tight, good to go. But make sure you follow your local and state codes because everybody's different with, you know, using stuff, okay? All right, guys, this outlet is a little bit older, so it's, you know, going to be wired a little bit differently. But just to let you know, the neutral is going to go on the side that looks like a T, okay? Just if you're working on older outlets, guys, you're like, what the hell is going on? There's white, black, center, red, whatever. You always put the neutral on this side that looks like a T over here. That's usually how you're going to see it at the majority of the places, okay? And I put that on the wrong way. You're supposed to put the hook the other way, just to let you know. Okay, but I already snapped it on and mine's not coming out. But when you do that, guys, you want to put the hook go the same way that you're tightening the screw so it pulls it in, okay? This is fine because it didn't pull it out, but just to let you know, majority of the time you want to follow that same way as it, so this way it'll pull the wire in and just make it even tighter, okay? All right, everyone, so you just tuck it in like that, and then we just put it together now. All right, guys, that is how easy it is to wire that up. Done. Simple. Let's go upstairs, make sure we got power, and that's the next step, and then we're done with the install. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we ran the wire, we ran it up, so that should have power. We're going to plug in the TV. We're going to make it look all nice and neat. Okay, is the plan. See, there's where it was plugged in before. Now it's going to be out of the way, and it's going to look all nice and floating. Okay, so let's get that out of the way, so we can make it look nice. Nice. All right, guys. So the install went perfect. Why is it like a yellowy tint in here, right? All right, guys, we got it installed. We are good. We are happy, ready to go. Okay, it works. Obviously, it works because we got power going on here, but we have the internet. You saw everything ran through. It was a seamless install, really easy. Like I said, if you guys have any questions, you can let me know, whatever. But pretty much that was straightforward. This took me only like maybe an hour or so to, you know, get those wires and get them installed. And like I said, that's why I did it on that inside wall instead of the outside wall over here, okay? Well, that's it, everyone, for Glenn Velvet Reviews on the installation on that in-wall, in back of the TV, I guess electrical enclosure, you can call it, all right? If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you could support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products I already did review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. I will see you later, everybody. Bye-bye.